In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom app background on mobile. Whether you want a more professional look for meetings or just something fun behind you, I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along easily on your phone. First, open the Zoom app on your mobile device and sign into your account if you aren't already. Make sure you're running a fairly recent version of the app, because older versions may not support virtual backgrounds on all devices. If you're unsure, you can quickly update Zoom from your device's app store before continuing. Once you're in the app, join a meeting or start a new one. The background settings are only available from inside an active meeting, so you'll need to either host a meeting yourself or join an existing one. Don't worry, you can use a private meeting if you're just testing things out. When you're in the meeting, look at the controls on the screen. On most phones, you'll see a bar at the bottom. If you don't see any controls, tap the screen once to make them appear. Now, look for the More option, usually shown as 3 small dots. Tap that, and a menu will slide up with several choices. From this menu, select Backgrounds and Effects, or a similar option depending on your version of Zoom. This is where you can choose and customize your virtual background. Zoom may ask for permission to access your camera if it hasn't before, so go ahead and allow that. You'll now see a few default background options, like simple images or colors. Tap on any of these to instantly apply it. Your preview will update so you can see how it looks behind you in real time. If it doesn't look quite right, try moving to a well-lit area and make sure your face is clearly visible. Better lighting helps Zoom separate you from the background more accurately. If you want to use your own image as a background, look for the plus icon or an option to add a new image. Tap it, and your phone's gallery will open. Choose a photo that is bright, high quality, and ideally in landscape orientation. After selecting it, Zoom will upload and apply it as your new background. Take a moment to adjust your position in the frame. Try not to wear colors that blend into your chosen background, as that can cause parts of you to disappear or look glitchy. Once you're happy with your background, just close the settings and continue your meeting as normal. Zoom will remember your last chosen background for future meetings on that device, so you won't have to set it up every time.